Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to take a closer look at the Hot Wheels Pantone series. I'm going to go ahead and say this is Series 1 because I did see where you can order Series 2 on a website. These are in the Silver Series. I think they're about $3.50 to $4 a car. I've only seen them one time on the pegs. There's 6 cars in the series. They're calling the Porsche a Chase. Let's take a look at them. So if you're wondering what Pantone is like the global standard for color. So each of these colors has its own number, and each number is only associated with that color. Each year, Pantone does the color of the year. I'm not sure what exactly it is this year for 2026, but it's just, it's kind of an interesting thing, kind of like a pop culture thing. So let's take a look at the cars. The first one is, hold on. It's Nissan Fairlady Z. But I wanted to mention that these the assortment's kind of strange in that there's 3 cool Kombis, 1 Camaro, 1 Mustang, 1 Porsche. I believe there's 2 of these Fairladies and 2 or 3 of these twin wheels. There's 10 cars in the case, so very interesting. I think there's 2 each of these. 3 of these, 1, 1, and 1. But anyways, let's take a closer look at these things. This is the Nissan Fairlady Z. Pantone number 533. The paint is a really nice metal flake color. Excuse me. Very cool. Great details on this car. So it does have a plastic base, a metal top. And it's cool to me that they went ahead and made all of the parts match, right? So the wheels are blue, the windows are blue, and the car, of course, is also blue. Next up, we're going to take a look at the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302. This is Pantone number 195. Again, matching windows, the red, matching interior. I'm sure that Fairlady's matching as well. The wheels, the base, everything is the same color. Very cool concept. So I was able to find all of these on the pegs, except for the Porsche. I had purchased that on eBay. I thought it was a really cool set, and I wanted to have all of them. So this is the Twin Mill 3. This one is in Pantone 186, which you can see is a nice bright red color. Fantasy model. That's really kind of the only fantasy model in the bunch. The cool Kombi is, I don't know. I mean, it's obviously made off of a real vehicle, but I'm not sure if this is actual thing or if it's like a, we'll give this one a 50-50. Pantone 021. Orange color. Very cool. One of my favorite castings of all time. Kind of wish I would have bought 2 of these, but, I did not. We have the 69 COPO Camaro. Another one of my favorite castings from Hot Wheels. It's absolutely beautiful. And the Pantone 2013. Yellow color there. This is the front. Loop logo there, good for the track. Very nice. Camaro on the license plate there. And last but not least, we have the Porsche 934/5. Now, these Silver Series apparently have a chase in them, and they're calling it a chase because it has a metal base. At the price point, I kind of wish they would just all have a metal base, but whatever. It's kind of silly to me, but I mean, there's 3 cars that there's only 1 of each of in the case. I feel like giving 1 a metal base and calling it a chase is a little bit silly. But anyways, this is a great looking casting. Absolutely awesome details on this thing. Anyways, there you have it. A little bit closer look. They all have that metal flake paint on them at the Hot Wheels Pantone series. I found these at Target. I haven't seen them anywhere else. I don't know if other retailers are getting them. They might be a Target thing. I do not know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and have a great day.